guys, in this example I'm going to show you how to set up a user and restrict specific warehouses to that particular user. You'll start out by going to System Settings, going to Users, and searching for the particular user you'd like to restrict. In this case, we'll select Johnny Smith. When you're looking at the locations fields, you can see that you could add one or more warehouses depending on your system configuration. After you select the specific warehouses you would like this user to access, you have to select a default warehouse. The default warehouse would be obviously the warehouse that anytime the user logs in, it would default the view to. Now, what does this all mean? If we go back to the recycling inventory detail screen, you'll see there's a filter, and you can see which warehouses this user has access to. If I was only restricted to the Philadelphia warehouse, I would not have access to see the Arizona warehouse or the Asia warehouse. Now, if we go to the different screens, such as inbound orders and outbound orders, you'll have very similar filtering. So it's very important to restrict specific users to only the warehouses they should have access to.